Hello dear students. Hi, how are you? Eid Mubarak. Now I am conducting a class for the students of class 4 of English version. Okay, I am your teacher Mr. Muhammad Mizan Rahman. Now I am conducting a class with my subject Bangladesh and Global Studies. In my first class I discussed chapter number 4, the rights of the citizens. Yes, in this class I told that if we demand some rights, we also maintain some obligation also. You know what is obligation? Obligation means duties. Obligation means our duties. Yes. The title of this chapter, chapter number 5. We will discuss the chapter number 5. The title of this chapter is Values and Behavior. Values and Behavior. First of all, we have to know what is values and what is behavior. What is value? What is value and what is behavior? We have to know. After completing today's lesson, we are all able to learn, able to know what is behavior, how we can behave socially, social behavior. Yes, social behavior means I am your teacher, so you have to give me salam and you have to pay me honor, and you are my students, I have to give you affection. Okay, you have to give honor to your parents, you have to keep good relationship with your classmates, with your friends, with your neighbor. This is the behavior type. This is the social behavior. We are the man, we are the woman, we are the person who are living in the society. So our behavior must be social. We can't behave with the other animal. Though other animals also have society, their society is totally different from us. The ant have the society, and the sheep have the normal society. When they're grazing, they maintain the discipline. You see, this is the example of behavior, social behavior. Now, in this chapter number 5, values and behavior. In chapter number 4, we learned about the rights. Now, we are learning about values and behavior. Yes, if you want to consume your rights, want to get your rights, you also behave according to the social value. First of all, we learn about value. What is value? Value means honesty. Yes, from society, value is some behavior, particular behavior which are belonging, which are maintaining from time immemorial in a particular society, our traditional society. The kind of values, the kinds of values, the typology of values. Honesty is a kind of value. What is honesty? You not tell a lie or doing something very eagerly from mind and not making flirtation or not tell the lie is the honesty. Okay, if I asked you why you don't do your homework, why you didn't do your homework, you can answer these questions by hook or by crook. Okay, as you wish, by telling lie. This is not the honesty. Honesty means answer directly with the truth. Okay, and the next is the kind of sense of justice. Sense of justice is a kind of value. What is justice? If you buy a pencil for 10 taka, you have to pay 10 taka to the shopkeeper, but you get the chance of gathering and without paying the price of the pencil, you flee from the canteen. This is not the justice. The shopkeeper bought this pencil for you. May he get profit 2 taka or 1 taka, but if I or you flee with this pencil without paying the canteen man, the shopkeeper, it will not be justice. Okay? If anybody work for you, you have to pay him as the contract. Okay? This is the justice. This is the kind of value. We are following this kind of values for time immemorial in a society, human society. Next, discipline. Yes, what is discipline? You have to attend the school timely, you have to submit the homework timely, you have to present in the important functions timely. This is the discipline. You have to maintain a routine for study. This is a kind of discipline. This is the value. Okay. The next, politeness. Obviously, you will have to be polite. What is politeness? Polite means namra bhadra. When you will speak to your elders, you have to speak slowly and softly. When you will play with your friends, you will have to maintain your voice, you will have to maintain your language. Okay, you will have to maintain your voice and language with your parents. Don't be hyper. Okay, just polite. So polite. Politeness is a kind of value, social value. It will make, and then it will make. Now let's discuss about behavior. What is behavior? If we follow our values which we get inherit from our parents, from our elders, this is the value, and if we behave according to our value, this is our behavior. Let's know about some good behavior. Example of behavior. Behavior means finally exactly the good behavior. Okay, the behavior looking after the elders, looking after the youngers. This is a kind of behavior. If you may have some younger siblings, you will have to look after them. This is a good behavior. Then respecting elders, you will have to pay respect to your elders. I am a teacher, you will have to pay respect to me, respect to your parents, respect to your neighbors. Okay, your neighbors also hope respect from you. And well behave with neighbors. Yes, I have told this before. Okay, you will have to behave politely, with gentleness with your neighbors. Beside our apartment, beside our house, we have many neighbors, we have many family, so we will have to behave with them politely. This is the example of good behavior. Now we will go to our next lesson. The lesson 2 is the example of good behavior or bad behavior. In your textbook there is a box, there is a blank box beside, and this is the story of Ripa. Some behavior, there is mentioned some behavior of Ripa. You have to mark, tick mark or cross mark if Riha's behavior is good or bad. What is good behavior or what is bad behavior? You have to give a tick mark or cross mark. I will try to discuss some example. Okay, let's start. Early rising. Ripa generally rises in the early morning. So is this good or bad? Is this good or bad? Think please. Answer please. Yes, I think this is a good habit. If you rise in the early, you will get more time for study, for doing your daily works, daily chores. Okay, and then she generally goes to sleep lately. Okay, is this good or bad? Obviously this is bad, so you have to give a cross mark in the box, blank box. The next, late in the school. Ripa generally goes to school in late. Is this good or bad? This is bad, so this is a cross. And then on time for school. Ripa attend the class timely. This is good, so this box will be filled by the tick mark. And the next, she helps her siblings. Ripa generally helps her siblings. If she may have one younger brother, one younger sister, she helps them to prepare their homework for school. Is this good or bad? Obviously this is very good. This should be followed by you are all. Okay, this is very good habit. This mark will be filled by tick mark, this box. And then make noise in the class, but very unfortunate. Sometimes Ripa make noise in the class. Is this good or bad? Obviously, this is bad. For her noise, we will not concentrate in our study in the classroom. Okay, so this is bad. We will have to give a cross mark to this blank box. Okay, okay. We have already finished our discussion. Okay. Okay, this is the moment for your homework. Your homework will be very simple. Write down the box from your textbook, and maybe there have 12 example, 12 pattern of Ripa's behavior. You will have to write down the box in your khata and give the tick mark or the cross mark according to your justification. This is your homework. Okay, just simple homework. This is your homework. We will meet soon. Allah Hafiz. Thank you very much for enjoying this class. Allah Hafiz.